First, download Text Plus in your device and open it to register with basic details. Now copy your Text Plus number and fill in WhatsApp. Now waiting for call, it's showing wait for 4 minutes, so now wait. After tap on call in WhatsApp, go to your Text Plus app and wait for call, then fill your OTP. Done. Your WhatsApp fake account is successfully created. You can use it now. Even I have already created my WhatsApp today with this number, so it's showing my name and profile picture. You can face one problem, so check video last part must. Now you can see our WhatsApp number, friends, it's working fine.